I don't know. I'm going to be a llama with a pet llama. I don't know why people is like so obsessed with llamas. I mean, even alpacas, I think they're the same, I don't know. But seriously, it's annoying. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna start with the gift. So first I have a Fear Stove. Okay, thank you. White Dave. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Thank you. This chicken. Thank you. This chicken again. Thank you. That's the same name, but yeah. Thank you. Cute girl. Are you serious? That was from my wish list. Oh my god. No way. No. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Georgia. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Are you serious? Georgia. Oh my god. I am. Oh my god. 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 I got a rare. I got a freaking rare. Are you serious? Thank you so much, Georgia. I love you. Sonette, Emily. Are you serious? I'm getting like rares right now. I don't know how that is happening. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Thanks. Oh my god. They are so nice. Seriously, Georgia and Emily are like my favorite people. Oh my god. Kendall? I keep forgetting to grab names. Kendall again? I don't know how to pronounce names. Kareem? Nice. Melissa, Brian. Workout. Breathe. Called Eve. I have that already. But yeah, so cute. Mean Comedy. Okay. They want to come on. Oh, I think I know that. Oh! AJ's. Oh, yeah. Can't really see this one. Hilda! Hilda. Are you sad? Thank you so much for my wish list. Oh my god. People are so, like, people are super nice. And, wait, what? Okay. So I still have more. Oh, that's so cute! Thanks, Lily. Rose Jen. Thanks, Emily. Melissa Brian. Oh, I love this hair. I like this one. It's, Lil Miss Smalls. Oh, that's so cute. That's fine. Awesome cat. Called Gift. I'm getting so much good ears. Okay, I think that's all. That's all. Okay, hi. YouTube is hi. Back. Thanks for everybody. I love you. Maybe want to come over. Okay, I cannot believe that I just got rare and I got my wishy and I am so happy. Like, seriously, I have a freaking rare. Like, seriously, I got a rare. Like, right over here. And I also got a freaking rare. Are you serious, guys? You guys have to send me this? I feel really sad for... Why? Like, I just want to cry right now. Oh my god. Are you serious? She gave me a freaking rare. They gave me a freaking rare. Like, what? Oh my god. No way. I feel so bad. I'm just gonna wear the outfit I have. Baby, what's the why, guys? Just, why did you do that? Are you serious? Oh my god, you guys are so sweet and nice. I love all of you. All of you are like the best. This hair's cute. And this hair. And this hair. I love all the hair. And you gave me. Baby, won't you come mommy? Not the same more. Baby, won't you come mommy? Guys, just go and stick with this hair. Baby, won't you come mommy? I was about to go to the beach today, but my brother changed my mind. And I was like, what? So, oh no, I just want to, oh my god, I am so thankful. Are you serious? That is so nice. That is so nice. Baby, won't you come mommy? I'm gonna give you a whole bunch of my toes because they're gonna be resting. I mean, well, the one I gave you. Okay? So I think, she, I think she meant this is a rare. This is actually really Christina, Chris, and Tina. Baby, won't you come mommy? Anyway, I'm gonna end this here. Bye, guys. Let's just do something. Yeah, I don't have nothing. Yeah, these people are amazing. As you can see here, okay, I want to end this here. Bye, guys.